Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Nana, you know the vibe, we see you looking. You should smell the aroma in the kitchen when she cooking. She the real deal when she make a home cooked meal. She's Nana the Saucy Chef, she got skills. Nana the Saucy Chef, she got skills.
Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be making blueberry butter swim biscuits. I'm going to be showing you guys the ingredients in 3 parts. So for our blueberry syrup, we're going to need 1 cup of blueberries, 1 cup of water, 1/2 cup of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. The ingredients for our biscuits are 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 cups of buttermilk, 1/3 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1.5 cups of blueberries, and 1 tablespoon of flour. The ingredients for our lemon cream cheese glaze, we're going to need 1 cup of confectioners sugar, 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter at room temperature, 4 ounces of cream cheese at room temperature, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of milk, and 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice. And lastly, we're going to need 1 stick of unsalted butter. Now we're going to make our blueberry syrup. To a saucepan, you're going to add in your blueberries. And we're going to add in a cup of water and also our 1/2 cup of sugar. Now you just want to mix it until your sugar dissolves. Once your sugar has dissolved, you want to let it come to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, you want to turn your heat on low. And we're just going to let it simmer for 15 minutes. Now after 15 minutes, you want to turn off your heat. We're going to add in our lemon juice. And you just want to mix it until it's well combined. Now you want to get a bowl and you want to put a strainer over top. And we're going to pass our syrup through the strainer. All we're going to do now is continue to press down until we remove all of the juices. Okay, once you're done, we're going to let that sit and let it cool to room temperature. Then you want to place it in your fridge until we're ready to use it. Now in a bowl, I have my 1.5 cup of blueberries. I'm going to add in my tablespoon of flour. All you want to do is mix until all the blueberries are well coated. Once your blueberries are all coated, set them to the side. Now you want to set your oven to 450 degrees. And you want to get an 8.5 by 8.5 baking dish. And we're going to set our butter in the center. Now you can set your baking dish with the butter in the oven and let it melt. So now we're going to make our dough. So you want to get a bowl. I'm going to put my sifter over top. I'm going to add in my flour first. So now I'm going to begin to sift that into my bowl. Now to the remainder of my flour, I'm going to add in my sugar, my salt, and my baking powder. And we're just going to sift the rest of that into our bowl. Once you're done, grab a whisk and just mix it until it's well combined. Now after you're done, you want to get a spatula. We're just going to make like a well in the middle of our flour. Now we're going to pour in 2 cups of cold buttermilk. We're also going to add in a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now you just want to mix that until it's well combined. Now we're going to begin to fold in our flour. I'm going to go ahead and mix it until it's well combined. Once you're done, we're going to add in our blueberries. You want to go ahead and fold them in until they're well combined, and you don't want to overmix your dough. Your butter should be melted, so now we're going to take our biscuit dough and pour it into our baking dish. Now we're just going to even out our dough. Once it's all evened out, you want to take a sharp knife and we're going to cut it into 9 even pieces. Once you're done, we're going to place it into our 450-degree oven for 20 to 25 minutes. Okay, now we're going to make our lemon cream cheese glaze. You want to have a hand mixer. So to my bowl, I added my cream cheese and my butter. We're going to go ahead and blend that together. To smooth, you want to add in your vanilla extract and your lemon juice. And we're going to also add in our powdered sugar a little at a time. And you want to go ahead and mix it. You just want to continue to add in your powdered sugar and mix. Now we're going to add in our tablespoon of milk. And you can go ahead and blend that together also. Once you're done, you can set it to the side. Okay guys, after your biscuits are out of the oven, you want to let them cool off for 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, now you want to take your lemon cream cheese glaze and just drizzle it over top. Once you're done, we're going to take our blueberry sauce. We're going to go over top and drizzle that also. Okay guys, look how yummy that looks. So now I have some lemon slices. You don't have to do this. And I'm just going to put it over top for some garnish and a couple of blueberries. Okay guys, look how pretty that looks. Okay guys, so I plated one of our blueberry swim biscuits. It looks so delicious. These really taste good. So I hope you guys give this recipe a try. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Thank you for following me.
Y'all hungry yet?